revision worksheet of chapter probability. Okay, the probability. First question is this: a bag contains 8 white, 5 green and 9 yellow marbles. What is the probability of getting a yellow marble when one marble is drawn randomly? Yellow marbles, the number of yellow marbles are 9. Okay, total number of marbles, equal to 8 plus 5 plus 9. 8 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, it is equal to 22. Okay, and the yellow marbles, number of yellow marbles. Yellow marbles are 9. Okay, now the probability of one yellow marble, it means the formula of probability is number of favorable outcomes and divided by total number of outcomes. It means favorable outcomes are 9 and total 22. The probability equal to 9 by 22. What is the probability of getting an odd prime number on the throw of a dice? Odd prime numbers on the throw of a die. When we throw a die, we get the total outcomes. How many total outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcomes. Now the total outcomes are 6. Okay, and the odd prime numbers. Equal to odd prime 3 and 5, only 2. The probability of odd prime numbers, these are the 2. The odd prime probability 2 by 6. Favorable outcomes are 2 and the total 6. It is equal to the 1 by 3. Okay, now question number 3. The question number 3 is 2 coins are tossed 200 times and the following outcomes are recorded. 2 times head 56, head tail head 110 and tail 34. What is the empirical probability of occurrence of at least one head in the above case? At least one head means minimum एक head होना ही चाहिए. So these are the two favorable outcomes, 110 plus 56. Okay, and the total outcomes 200. We have to write favorable outcomes. These are equal to the 56 plus 110. It is equal to the 166. And the total outcomes 200. Now the probabilities of getting, यहाँ लिखेंगे probability of getting at least one head equal to 166 by 200. Okay, now cancel 83 by 100. Okay, और हम लोग 0.83 भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, next question number 4. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times with the following frequencies of different outcomes. Outcomes are 3 tails 31, 2 tails 68, 1 tail 75 and no tail 26. Find the probability of getting at least 2 tails, at most 2 tails. Okay, the at least 2 tail means minimum 2 tails. So it means 68 plus 31. The favorable outcome for this is 31 plus 68. And at most 2 tails, at most with the maximum 2 tails, 26, 75, 68. Okay, at most means maximum. No tail भी चलेगा. Okay, तो इसको ऐड करेंगे. This one is 99. This is 169. Okay, favorable outcomes for 1. Okay, favorable outcomes equal to 31 plus 68. It is equal to the 99. And the total outcomes equal to 200. और यहाँ लिखेंगे probability of getting at least 2 tails equal to 99 by 200. Okay. For the second part, नहीं इसको कैंसिल कर सकते, यही रहेगा आंसर. For second part, favorable outcomes equal to 68 plus 75 plus 26 equal to 169. Okay, and total outcomes equal to 200, and probability of getting at most 2 tails, at most 2 tails. Okay, so it is equal to the 169 by 200. Okay, the next question. What is the probability of an event that cannot happen? That cannot happen, it is equal to the 0. The probability of impossible event that cannot happen means impossible event equal to 0, and probability of sure event equal to 1. From a pack of cards, a card is drawn randomly. Find the probability of getting a blackjack. Okay, we know that total cards 52. Total cards equal to 52, and the blackjack equal to 2. Now the probability of getting a blackjack 2 by 52. It is equal to the 1 by 26. Okay. Total number of jacks होते हैं 4, 2 red and 2 black. Question number 7. Find the probability of drawing a blue ball from an urn containing 8 red balls, 6 white balls and 5 black balls. Probability of getting a blue ball. Blue means there is no blue ball. Therefore the probability of getting blue ball is 0. How will you write? Number of blue balls equal to 0. Therefore probability equal to 0, because it is a impossible event. It is impossible event. जब उसमें blue ball है ही नहीं तो हम नहीं निकाल सकते, और नहीं निकाल सकते तो probability equal to 0. The probability of a sure event is 0. State true or false. We know that the sure event, probability of sure event is 1. It is false. Okay, simply false. Question number 9. In a single throw of 2 dice, find the probability for getting a sum of 11. Single throw of 2 dice only. When we throw a 2 dice, okay, 2 die, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आएंगे लाइक दिस 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Similarly 2 1 up to 2 6 3 1. फर्स्ट डाइस में 3, सेकेंड में 1 एंड सेम 3 के साथ आते रहेंगे 6 तक. Similarly 4 in the first dice and the 1 in the second, and so on. 6 5 1 till 5 6 and 6 1 6 2. फर्स्ट डाइस में 6 आ रहा है और सेकेंड में 3 4 5 एटसेट्रा. Okay, these are the total number of outcomes is 36. Total number of outcomes equal to 36. And the favorable outcomes when the sum of two dice equal to 11. So only two cases are there, 5, 6 and 6, 5. 5, 6 and 6, 5, only two. Now the probability of getting a sum of 11 is 2 by 36. It is equal to the 1 by 18. Okay. And the next question. Question number 10. In cricket match, a batsman hits a boundary 12 times out of 48 balls he plays. Find the probability that he does not hit the boundary in the next ball. Okay. Suppose E is an event. Okay. The probability P is an event when the batsman hits the boundary. Therefore, the probability of E equal to 12 by 48 equal to 1 by 4. जब वो हिट्स करता है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है 1 by 4. Therefore, P not E when he does not hits the boundary. It means 1 minus PE. 1 minus 1 by 4, it is equal to the 3 by 4. Okay. The probability of a batsman when he does not hit the boundary. Okay. Thank you.